Okay, here we go. For fabric, you can use an old t-shirt. Clean the t-shirt very well and then use them. The material of t-shirt is beautiful, it's soft and nice, and you don't have to worry about the faded. For elastic, you have so many old underwear. Clean them well and then use the elastic from the underwear. They are perfect size, beautiful, soft, and cute and nice. No machine? Don't worry, you don't need a sewing machine. Just thread and needle gonna do fine. Okay, in the next page I will show you. This is all the information that you have to do for cut and sew the measurement of the mask. Make a paper template so it's easier for cut and then you can use them for the next time. Okay, now ready to cut. Put the paper template on top of the 2 layers of the t-shirts. I'm using my old shirt right now because I don't want to cut my other t-shirt. But 2 layers and cut around the paper template. And here we go, 2 layer, beautiful, nice and soft fabric. Okay, after cutting 2 layers, it's folding time. Measure from the top edge down 1.5 inch, fold out. Make it nice and neat, evenly, and then turn around, fold 1/2 inch up, another 1/2 inch up, and another 1/2 inch up. Okay, if you have time, make them beautiful, nice and evenly. I'm doing it very quick and sloppy just to show you the idea. You will pin the fold out in place. Pin both sides to keep the fold in place so it doesn't open up. And just use thread and needle and sew them. Sew them at the end evenly. Make it simple, easy. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then when you get to the fold, tap them twice. Try to sew them twice. Give them a loop to make sure the folds stay in place and secure. Just reinforce it. And that's it. Okay, and keep sewing until you get to the end of the corner. Tack them down. Make some loop. Tie the thread, loop the thread, and cut the end. And yes, the benefit of the knit fabric is you don't have to worry that it's faded. You don't have to make the hem around the edge because the fabric doesn't fade. So it's fabulous. Easy enough, right? Okay, now trim the underwear, trim the elastic on the underwear and get the elastic to use. I love using knit fabric and working with knit fabric because you don't have to worry about the faded of the fabric. Just trim it and use it. So easy, so fabulous. So trim along the underwear do the whole round circle. I think it's gonna be enough for the 2 string of the mask. Alright, I'm gonna cut the whole thing. And then let's see. I'm gonna fold it down and try to get it 7.5 at least. I think I will have enough. Yes, it's 7.5 or more. It's more than enough. That's good. So I fold it in half, and then cut it and use it for 2 of my mask string. I'm gonna attach it to the end of the mask. Alright, so the elastic has a little scallop loop, the lace. I want to use it at the outside, make it cute, and attach the end of the elastic in the inside of the mask. Tap them down at the corner. Using thread and needle, tap them, make a couple loops so it tie and stay in place. You don't have to do it perfect. Just make sure it tap down well. Okay, that's easy enough, right? Ta-da! This is the mask. Oh, well, it's not perfect, but hey, it's good enough. It's fabulous. Well, it's very important that after you finish making the mask, wash it, clean it, dry it before you use it. When you go out and when you come home, make sure you clean it well, wash it, dry it before you use it again. Ta-da! Here I am in the mask that I just made. Okay, make sure stay home, stay away from people, be healthy, take good care of yourself. I hope this helped. Alright, bye-bye.